撇, a curved stroke written from the top right to bottom left. Na, a curved stroke written from the top left to bottom right. Ba, one pie stroke and one na stroke. Write a pie stroke, then write a na stroke to the right. Do not draw a curtain. Do not draw nostrils. Do not write it too flat. Do not write it too sharp. Do not write it bottom first. Do not draw a pyramid. Do not space it too far. Do not draw a mustache. 人, one pie stroke and one na stroke. Begin writing the na stroke in the upper middle part of the pie stroke. Do not write too small. Do not fill the whole box. Do not write the wrong way. The na is too short. The na is too long. Do not make a cross. Do not draw a car brand. Do not draw a stickman.